5:31, middle of the afternoon, well, later on in the afternoon, about 3 o'clock or so in the afternoon. Went ahead and got all the weight and toolboxes off, made sure all of our screws were down. We're gonna make sure, we're just gonna leave them in and put the tin, the skin part over top. So we sprayed glue all on here and on here. We're waiting a few minutes, about 15 minutes, let it set up. And once you stick that one to that one, there ain't no chance in Hades that thing's coming apart. Trust me, that doesn't look like a big buildup of thickness of glue, but you don't really need it, especially with 35 thou aluminum and plywood, right? So she stayed good and flat. Looks like it's good, straight and flat. When we took all the weight off it, it didn't curl or buckle or bow or anything. So that's a good sign. We'll get the tin stuff on and get it trimmed out, the skin bit. Then we'll have to put some kind of, I brought a cover or something to put down so it doesn't get scratched up. We'll flip it over and we'll put that underlayment on the inside, because we'll probably put some screws in that to hold it in place. We don't want to roll toolboxes up on top of that stuff because it's kind of dainty thin, you know what I mean? So that's it for this little installment on Saturday the 31st. I'll bring you a quick overtime with the tin just so you can see it before we flip it over, and then a final one when we get the underlayment on and start putting the trim on and all that stuff. So hang in there, it'll get better. Godspeed. I am praying for you. Trust me, I'm not lying to you, it'll get better. Say hi, Rich.
Hey, hey!